Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your account for Newfoundland and Labrador PNP Express Entry skilled worker. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I'm here on this Newfoundland and Labrador PNP site. So here I have a link. Express Entry skilled worker. Here, if you have an account, you can log in and work on your profile. If you don't have an account, you're going to click on create an account. Okay. Now you're going to select the category. If you're a candidate, you're going to click here. Individual account type, you are a candidate, then do this. Mailing address, you need to do this. Okay. So I'm going to see you in the next screen. Then comes your personal information. I'm just putting sample, but you need to do as per your own case. Okay. And then you need to read and accept terms and condition. I'll show that also, but let me fill this up and then I'm gonna show you after when you click this read and accept terms and condition. Okay, this comes terms and condition. You should read it, understand it, then click. And then finally you'll come back to the same page. You are going to click complete registration. After registration step, then you get an email, and from there you need to go and create your password, and then you're gonna come back here. So once you create your password, you can come back here and log in here. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.